If you're tired of cleaning your floors every day, check out the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaners in 2025. These smart devices can clean your home with little effort from you. They come with advanced features like automatic dirt detection, powerful suction, and even self-emptying bins. Some models can map your entire house and avoid obstacles easily. Whether you have carpets, hardwood floors, or pets, there's a perfect robot vacuum for your needs. Save time and energy by choosing one of these top-rated vacuums for a cleaner, stress-free home. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. Roborock S8 Max V Ultra Robot. The Roborock S8 Max V Ultra is a premium robot vacuum and mop combo featuring 10,000 pascals suction power and a unique flexi-arm side brush to reach tight corners. Its 8-in-1 RockDock Ultra handles self-emptying, mop washing, and drying automatically. With smart navigation, it adapts to different floor types for thorough cleaning, making it ideal for homes needing both vacuuming and mopping solutions. Number 4. Eufy S1 Pro Robot Vacuum. The Eufy S1 Pro Omni is a robot vacuum and mop combo featuring self-washing, self-drying, and an auto-empty station. It offers up to 216 minutes of runtime, Wi-Fi connectivity, and advanced room-by-room navigation. With powerful suction, it handles both wet and dry cleaning across all floor types. It also auto-refills water and dries mop pads with heated air, making floor care effortless and efficient. Number 3. iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max. The iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max is a powerful robot vacuum and mop combo with 100% more suction power, advanced navigation, and a smart auto-wash dock. It automatically empties debris, refills water, and even cleans and dries the mop pad after each use. Its 4-stage cleaning system tackles dirt in every corner, and Smart Scrub mode provides deeper cleaning for stubborn messes. It also integrates with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri for easy voice control. Number 2. Dyson 360 Vis Nav Robot Vacuum. If you're looking for top-notch performance, the Dyson 360 Vis Nav is where it's at. This vacuum has some serious suction power and advanced navigation, so it doesn't miss a single spot. I was amazed at how it adjusted to different floor types and even tackled the tricky corners in my home. It's a bit of an investment, but trust me, the results are worth it if you want a deep clean every time. Number 1. Narwhal Frio Mate Robot Vacuum. Why settle for just vacuuming when you can mop too? The Narwhal Frio Mate is my favorite for tackling both dust and spills. It vacuums and mops, and the best part is, it even washes and dries the mop pads automatically. I love how it keeps my floors spotless without me lifting a finger. It's perfect for anyone who wants an all-in-one solution for a cleaner home. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a go. Leave a comment and thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss our latest information.